the housing market finds its footing and how the finance of America expands and home equity is now coming to the spotlight here. All right, so this article and video, I'll leave this link in the bio below as well. For the first time since 2017, asking prices across the U.S. have posted their largest year-over-year decline. So at first glance, this sounds alarming, but the data suggests that it isn't necessarily the beginning of a housing crash. It may be actually a good sign that the market is returning to a healthier balance. I know we've been speaking about this for the last few weeks, but over the past few years, home prices have climbed to like an unsustainable pace due to the limited inventory and fierce competition. Now, with mortgage rates still elevated and buyers are becoming more price sensitive than ever, sellers are being forced to adjust their expectations. Instead of simply listing a home at any price and expecting multiple offer, today sellers are, increasingly reducing their prices to attract more buyers. So, while this may be like a bad news for sellers, it's actually creating more opportunities for buyers who have been on the sidelines and waiting. So it gives them a chance to actually get into the market and be more competitive. And then the article also spotlights several developments in the reverse mortgage industry. So Finance of America has expanded its mortgage business by acquiring Onity's servicing portfolio, strengthening their position in the market at the same time. So the company is returning to the numbers one position in the reverse mortgage endorsement, according to the latest lender rankings here. And then finally, the growing legal challenges surrounding HomeTap are putting home equity investment products under greater scrutiny. So as more homeowners tap into their home equity in different ways, regulators and consumers are paying much more attention to how these products work and how they're marketed. So the big takeaway here is the housing market isn't collapsing, it's normalizing. Buyers are gaining a little bit more negotiating power. Sellers need to be more realistic on pricing, and home equity continues to play an increasingly important role in your financial planning. It'll be interesting to see whether this trend starts to continue for the rest of the year.